if you want to get free watch faces on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, what you can do is you can simply use your phone. So once you go to the Galaxy Wearable app, if you open watch faces, of course, you can find all these watch faces that you can also find on your smartwatch. But besides that, if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to find, for example, discover more watch faces. If you go over here, you can choose one of these styles or colors or information. So let's say I'm gonna choose graphical. And over here below, as you can see, we have examples. So lots of different options to choose from. You can try to find your favorite one. Besides that, we're gonna also try to use the Play Store. Let's see if we can actually find something interesting. Let's see how it looks like. So if you go to Google Play, as you can see, we have multiple different watch faces that we can also use. So let's say we're gonna go over here and perhaps we're gonna try adorable animals. We will have to install it first, and then we need to wait for it to be installed, of course. After opening it, in this case, we need to select our watch. Unfortunately, it seems that actually Watch 8 is missing right now, but I'm gonna just keep Anywhere OS smartwatch. And let's go into the installation guide. You will see some ads, and you can find instructions how to do that. But in addition to that, you should be able, at least in this case, find the watch face over here by just scrolling all the way down. You should be able to find downloaded section over here. So we can go over here and select our new watch face. Let's see if we can also find it on the app. Yeah, there we go. So over here, as you can see, we also have it. Let's see if we can customize it in some way. It might be possible. So as you can see, we have different animals and so on and so forth. So this is how we can get new watch faces. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.